Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use tweezers properly for hair removal. And this will be a full tutorial for beginners, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. What I have here is a pair of tweezers, and we're going to be using these properly for hair removal. It's not really hard to do in terms of like using tweezers to remove a hair or multiple hairs, but it's kind of difficult to do properly if you don't know what you're doing. So essentially, you're going to look at your tweezers, and most likely your tweezers are going to have an angled tip. They might have like a tip that's very narrow and almost like it's much smaller, but most likely your tweezers are going to have an angled tip like that. So you can see it's angled right here. So the tweezers go, if I'm holding the tweezers straight up, you can see that the tip right there is on an angle. You can kind of see that, okay? Now, essentially, you want to hold your tweezers, okay, like this. So you want to hold your tweezers so you have your thumb on one side and multiple fingers on the other side. It can, I would recommend not just one and one. Like I would recommend your thumb and then like two. So one and two, just like that. It'll give you the most control. Even 1 and 3 you can do, that works too, it depends. But you want to do it more, like 1 and 1 is going to give you not that much control. You want to do at least 1 and 2 or even 1 and 3, okay? So you want to get your grip on your tweezers and you got to squeeze them, just squeeze them, and that's how you're going to be gripping the hair. Now you're going to hold them on an angle. Okay, you're not going straight down. So let's say I'm plucking out, I'm removing a hair from my arm. I'm not going straight down like that. That's not how you do it. You want to hold them at an angle, okay? And when you're holding them at an angle, you want this angled tip to be roughly parallel with the angle of the skin, give or take. So my arm is like this, right? So when I hold them, I want that angled tip to be parallel with the skin. This is the way I would remove the hair, like this. You can see this is the way I would remove the hair. I'm going to try and get it at a better view. This is the way. If I rotate them, this will not work. Because you can see, look, the tip is not, the tip is parallel like this now. This way. That doesn't work. That's not how we're going to remove the hair. That doesn't work. You want to rotate it so the tip is parallel with the skin. My skin is going like this. I want the tip to go like that as well. This way is correct. The tip is parallel with the skin. Okay, you can see the edge of the tip is parallel with the skin. Like that, side to side. If I rotate them, it is now going up and down. It's going like this. That doesn't work. It's not going to work as well. You want it to be parallel with the skin. Once you have your position properly, okay, holding it properly, where you want to remove the hair from, and where the tip is parallel with the skin, you can simply grab the hair with a firm grip and pull it out, okay? I'm not going to pull I'm not going to pull a hair out of my arm, okay? I misspoke there, okay? I said an hair because I was saying hair and arm. That doesn't even make sense. I don't even know why I said that, but who knows? Anyways, I'm not going to pull a hair. I'm going to say it properly now. It's not a big deal. I'm going to say it properly now. I'm not going to pull a hair out of my arm. I'm going to pull a hair out of my eyebrows, right? And I can't really see too well, but I know there's a whole bunch of hairs there. So I can't see too well. So I know this is the way I'm going to hold my tweezers. Okay, like this. I got my proper grip, and I know that this is going to be parallel with the skin. Okay, I'm going at an angle, as you can see, and I'm going to grab whatever hair is here. I can't really see anything, to be honest with you, but I know there's hair there, and pull it out. You can't, I don't know if you can see that. There's a tiny, tiny little hair on there. Okay, tiny little hair. Or is there two? No, it's just one hair. I grabbed one hair. There's a tiny hair on there. It's kind of hard to see, but there's a hair on there, indeed. Like I said, hopefully you can see that. But I plucked out a hair, okay? That's how to remove hair properly with tweezers. The proper grip I showed you, okay? The proper angle I showed you. The proper, tip of the tweezers being parallel with the skin, roughly parallel. You just don't want it opposite. You want it roughly parallel. You don't want it perpendicular. You want it roughly parallel. So once again, the grip I showed you, okay? The angle I showed you, the tip being roughly parallel with the skin I showed you. You want to grab the hair and pull it away. I showed you. That's how to use tweezers properly for hair removal. It's that simple. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I got nothing else to say. So by all means, tweeze away. And yeah, we're gonna roll the outro. That's it. Tweeze away. I like that one. I like that motto. Tweeze away. Tweeze away. Remove that hair as you need to, as you want to. Simple as that. Anyways, nothing else to say, so we're gonna roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.